Hey, good morning, guys. I recorded this video last night from the pond. The frogs have been going crazy recently, and I have never been able to actually see them, and neither have my neighbours. They always comment on what a terrific noise it is for them to hear, and it's not annoying. It's lovely to get feedback like that. So I thought, right, let's see if we can find them at night. So I set up the night camera and I spotted the little buggers. If you look right here, when they start up again, you'll see one of them move. So I built this pond a few years ago now with my daughter, and I built it for my bees so they had some water resource. Didn't realize that it would end up becoming like the center piece of the garden where all the insects come together and chill out, take some shade, drink some water, probably have sex. This here is this green stuff here you see. That's called water lentils, or duckweed. And apparently some scientists found out that duckweed is a great source of vitamin B12. So if you're a vegan, you can start eating pond scum. But I mean, not my cup of tea, but interesting fact. My face, oh my God, it is so swollen right now. I'm talking a bit funny because my whole mouth is just like a mushroom. I got a nuke from somebody recently, and I left it there for about a week, and probably a week was too long, I don't know. I had the smoker out and I did a little bit of smoke. I pulled off the top and of course I wasn't wearing a veil. I got too comfortable with the bees, so that was a mistake, and I won't be doing that again for a while, or hopefully ever. So I pulled off the top, and all of a sudden about, I don't know, just a bunch of bees came flying towards my face. And it was like they came flying towards my mouth and they stung me around my lips and my cheek. And that spread all the way around the back of my ear, down my neck. So I don't look too pretty right now. Makes for a fun conversation though. The neighbours are shocked. So I told him it was my fault. I didn't wear a veil and I was messing around in the brood area. So that's to be expected, I think, sometimes. Lesson learned, never think that you know about the bees or that they are pets. They're definitely not pets. They're beautiful. I love watching them. That's why I created that bench, so you can just sit there and watch the hive, really active. Beekeeping for me is not just about having a bunch of hives. I think our responsibility is not only to create habitat, but is to teach our neighbours to create habitat. I've spent, I guess, the past couple of years working with my neighbours and convincing them to take on more plants, to tear up parts of their lawn and install, plants that are friendly towards beneficial insects, bees, butterflies, ladybugs. I got so many ladybugs in my yard now. I mean, right now I've got hundreds of little tiny baby ladybugs or ladybirds. So I think our responsibility is to teach or develop habitat, create water resources, plant trees, plant really good pollinating flowers, native plants. You'd be amazed at what it does actually with your neighbours. It's a really great topic of conversation when they start asking, what plant is that? What plant is this? And I really had to up my game because I didn't know half the plants. I just looked at something and I thought, oh, it's nice, and just threw it in there and just hope for the best. That's my style of gardening. I've kind of developed it from there now. I've got a bit more of a keen eye on names, but that wasn't always the way. Anyway, lesson learned, wear a veil when you're working with the bees. If not, you're going to end up looking like a bad version of Meg Ryan. You guys have a great day, and let's enjoy this weather while we're still in lockdown. Bye.